shines brightly to our Volunteerism Award nominees. At this time, please join in welcoming these compassionate nominees for the individual category to the stage. Let's applaud their dedication to making a positive impact beyond the workplace as they come forward. Sir Jamel Genova of the Customer Success Team. And Maria Gatchela Gabancos of the ABSI Operations CX COE team. Would you like to hold hands? Hey. The winner for the Volunteerism Award individual category is Sir Jamel Genova. Congratulations.
The winner will receive a plaque and 10,000 pesos cash.
Ha 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 ha!